A simple, quick, and easy eye makeup how to create easily without any cut crease and with some glitter. So, today I'm going to teach you this magical look which is quick and easy. Anyone can do this look if you are a pro artist or just a beginner. So, you can create this look within 5 minutes. And if you're interested to know how I created this look, then keep on watching and let's get started. But yes, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a like and do subscribe if you're new to my channel. Now let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to apply some concealer on my eyelid. Here I have used PAC concealer in shade Sand. So I'm going to apply a very little quantity and just blend it on my lid. And for eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette and directly go into this darker shade. So here I have taken this pencil brush to create this look very precisely. So I'm going to create the outer corner of V. As you can see, I'm making a shape like this. I'm going to take a very little product and work with it. After this is done, to blend this darker shade edges, I'm going to use a very lighter kind of shade, and that will be my transition shade. I'm going to mix this both shade and just blend on the edges in circular motion, very light handed, and just blend it. So I'm taking little bit inside as well, but mostly I'm going to focus it on the outer corner, as you can see, and almost the blending is done. Just next step, I'm going to intensify that shade again, because when we blend the shade, the transition, the darker shade, obviously it get fade off. So again, I'm going to blend the darker shade edges with that same both shades. Now to blend everything nicely and give a smooth effect, I'm going to use this Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. This is a fluffy kind of tapered brush here I'm using to blend everything, to soften the edges. As you can see, I'm moving my brush in left, right and circular motion. Now I'm going to deepen up the first shade and going in and out. So this is a process which you have to follow to get that perfect blending and look. And if you're not blending the shadows properly, it will get muddy look. So here I'm blending it again. So as I need, I keep blending the shades. Next, I'm using this Reckless shade which is purple. So here I'm not going to cut the crease and going to directly apply this shade like a concealer, how we carve out our cut crease. Like the same process, I'm going to apply this shade like a cut crease. So I'm going to blend the edges now, so that both the colors merge together and give a nice blended look. Next, I'm going to use their glitter from that palette and apply it in the middle of the eyelid, as you can see. So pack it very light-handed and don't apply lots of glitter. Next, after that, I'm going to use this sugar liner, sketch liner, and this one is my most favorite. So I'm going to draw a wing liner. So firstly, draw a triangle and just join it from inner to outer end like this and fill in the gaps, and that's it, you are done. It's so quick and easy to create this wing liner. So keep practicing. One day you will also become a pro artist, like in doing this wing liner. Lastly, I'm going to clean the edges of that liner to make it more look sharper and neater. Just blend the concealer and pack it some compact or loose powder. You can set it with it. Next, working on my lower lash line, I'm using this flat shader brush from PAC. Firstly, I'm going to apply that purple shade Reckless and blend it with a lighter pink shade. Lastly, I'm going to, not lastly, but yes, there are some more steps which I'm going to show you. I highlighted my inner corners, brow bone, and just brushed up with a fluffy brush again, so that everything is seamlessly blended. Next, curling my lashes, I'm going to apply some mascara, which is from Sugar. Few coats of mascara on my upper and lower lashes very nicely. Take your time and apply. Next, I'm going to apply the false eyelashes, and today I'm going to apply a very affordable lashes. This is from Amazon, Callisis, and this is 5D vegan lashes, as you can see, and it's quite affordable, so I already applied it. Next, I'm using this Sugar Face the palette. As you can see, they have contour, blush and highlighter, so this is like a travel friendly. You can easily get it from Nykaa. This is really very nice palette. So I'm going to apply the highlighter, and this highlighter is like very nice. It doesn't, seems like you have applied highlighter. It just give you a natural kind of highlighted look. So here I complete my look, and yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, I hope you learned something from this. So this was the quick tutorial which I loved creating this for you guys. So yeah, do like, share, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.